everyone, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Alright, how are you today? I hope you all doing good. So now we are going to continue to learn about the diagraph. Remember the diagraph? Two letters make one sound. Okay, two letters make one sound. And our letter for today are letter T, or you might know it as T, 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 T. Okay, and the letter H, or you might know it as Alright, so when we see these two letters, they will make one sound, and the sound is th. Th. Okay, repeat after me. Th. Th. Good job. Alright, now we are going to say the sound along with the action. Okay, and for the action is like you put your tongue out, okay, a little bit, and then say th. Th. Can you try together with me? Th. Th. Okay, excellent. Alright, now let's say the words with the th sound. Okay, repeat after me, please. Thumb. Thumb. 3. The number 3. Thorn. Thorn. And we have thunder. Thunder. Thief. Thief. And moth. Moth. We also have teeth. Teeth. And father. Father. And also mother. Mother. Excellent, everyone. Alright, now let's have an activity. Okay, this time we are going to identify the pictures with the th sound, and we have to mention where is the th sound. Is it in the beginning, or in the middle, or at the end of the word? Okay, are you ready? Great, let's get started. Okay, what is this? Very good. This is thumb, and the th sound is in the beginning. Great. Next, what is this? And where is the th sound? You're right. This is 3, and the sound, the th sound is in the beginning. Great job. What about this? And where is the th sound? Yes, this is moth, and the th sound is at the end of the word. Good job. What about this? And where is the th sound? Excellent. This is mother, and the th sound is in the middle of the word. Alright, now let's check this. What is this? And where is the th sound? You're right. This is thorn, and the th sound is in the beginning. Alright, what about this? And where is the th sound? Perfect. This is teeth, and the th sound is at the end of the word. Okay, great job everyone. Okay, now it's time for riddle. Enjoy.
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is the name of a day. And it comes after Wednesday. And it has th sound. What it could be? Yes, you're right, friends. It's Thursday! Yay! We did it, friends! Yes, good job, friends! Good job, friends! Good job, good job, good job, friends! Alright, friends, see you in the next video. Bye-bye!
So, let's have a review about the sound that we learned today. What is the sound that we learned today? Great job! Okay everyone, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.